The View Activity Results feature, found in the course gradebook, provides detailed insights into student performance. This feature is available for quiz, lesson, and H5P activities, with each offering unique ways to analyze student performance. Activity results can be accessed in two ways. In your course, navigate to Grades in the top panel. Click the three dots menu next to each grade item. In a quiz, navigate to More. Then click Results. In a lesson, select Reports. In case of an H5P activity, results can only be accessed through the gradebook. The quiz results offers 4 comprehensive views to analyze student performance. The grades view presents a detailed table displaying all student attempts. Before viewing the report, you can customize what data to include using several options such as choosing which attempts to show, filtering attempts based on their status, and showing only attempts that have been or need regrading. The Display Options section lets you set how many attempts to display per page and whether to show marks for each question. When done, click Show Report to generate the report based on your selections. In the report, you will see a list of student attempts with completion dates, the time taken to complete each attempt, and the grade achieved. For each student attempt, clicking either of the Review Attempt link or Grade will take you to the grade analysis of the attempt, which is covered in detail in another video. You further have the option to filter student attempts by first or last name, and perform bulk actions by selecting the attempts to regrade or delete. At the bottom of the page, you can find a graph demonstrating the overall average score. To access other views, navigate to the drop-down menu on the left. The Responses view gives you a detailed look at how your students answered each question. You'll see similar filtering options to the Grades view, allowing you to choose which attempts to include in your report and how the responses are displayed. Additionally, clicking on any individual response in the report will open a pop-up review window for that specific question, allowing you to quickly regrade. The Statistics view provides quiz performance metrics calculated from student attempts. At the top of the page, you can choose how to calculate statistics and then click Show Report to apply the changes. The report displays quiz information, including various grade averages and attempt counts. The quiz structure analysis shows detailed statistics for each question, presented in both table and graph format. The manual grading report makes it easy to grade questions that aren't automatically marked in the quiz, such as an essay. You'll see a list of all questions that need manual grading, including the number of attempts still needing grades, the number of attempts already graded that you can update, and the total number of attempts. You also have the option to show questions that have been graded automatically. Clicking on any of these grade links will open a grading window where you can see multiple attempts of the same question across different students. You can customize how the attempts are displayed, then click Change Options to apply the changes. Within this window, you can grade or regrade attempts and leave comments for students. When done, scroll to the bottom and click Save and Show Next. When you first access the lesson results, you'll see a comprehensive overview page displaying a table of all student attempts. For each attempt, you can see when the student completed the lesson, their completion time, and their score displayed as a percentage. Clicking on any attempt will take you to a detailed view of that student's responses. Below the attempts table, you'll find the lesson statistics section. You can access a more detailed view by navigating to the drop-down menu and selecting Detailed Statistics. This page lists the questions presented to students and class statistics for each content section. This is also where you can manually grade open-end questions, such as essay. Look for the View Essay Answers link beneath essay questions, which will indicate if responses have not been graded yet. Note that automatically graded questions cannot be overridden in a lesson. The H5P activity provides a straightforward results view that displays all student attempts in a table format, showing their name, score, out of the maximum possible score, and completion time. Clicking the report link takes you to a detailed view of that student's attempt. Note that unlike quiz and lesson activities, H5P results are view only, which means you cannot regrade any questions once they've been submitted.